Well guys, look what I just got for free. Mom and Dad had gotten a newer mower, and I've been wanting to get up there and get this, but I had to get my truck fixed first. It's a John Deere GT 225. The body and everything else is in great shape. The mower deck needs some love and care. You can't see it from here. When I get it down on the ground, I'll show you if I remember. The mower deck needs some care, but the engine and the body and everything's good. And this is going to be awesome for the property. I'm going to put a ball on here, and I can haul our trailers around. There's something unique about this. It has, I believe, transmission fluid which feeds on in, and there's actually a filler here and a reservoir, which is really great because that is a common fail point on garden tractors, is the transmission seizes up on them after time because they leak out or dry out. And this is really good. That extends the life exponentially. Twin touch automatic. Never had a John Deere, but so far I'm liking it a lot. It's got a brush guard on the front, so gonna be nice. I can't wait to get that off the truck, and I think Melanie's gonna like it a lot because of the automatic transmission. That's gonna be good around the property. Wow, the pollinators absolutely love oregano. I can't count. There's even tiny little things in here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I see 14 things. Some are bees, some are honeybees, some have a more orange color. And there's even a wasp thing of some sort. And then there's tiny little things flying around. This is loaded with pollinators. Wow, if you want to attract pollinators, get oregano. The low catmint comes up first, and then comes the thyme, and that was loaded with pollinators, and then later comes the oregano. So these three really together make an amazing all year system, I guess. I don't know of a better word for pollinators. Can you see all that activity on there? I hope you can see all that. It's just unbelievable. There goes Peeping Kenny boy. Yep. Making his routine runs. Round and round and round and round he goes. Goes around the block, watching us, recording us. There goes Peeping Kenny boy. Another round past the homestead. I'm just checking out my stuff over here. He was looking. I do believe you're supposed to look in the direction that you're driving, though. He doesn't care. Round the property he goes, round and round and round again, spying on us. Hilarious. I'm walking around checking out the property and preparing for my projects for the day. I go from one point to another, and he actually is coming around for another run. Anytime I'm out here working, or the girls are out here playing, he's there. Round and round and round and round he goes. Must be nice to be retired and have nothing better to do than harass a family in their home. I happen to be, it's pitiful. I've been walking around checking out projects I gotta do here. I walk around with my camera all the time because you never know what you want to record. And I'm very embarrassed to say this, and this is all I've got prepared for winter. We do have some wood cut in this little bit over here. We do have a lot over here to split and cut still, but we've got a lot of work to do. A lot of this will be dry and ready to go, but I still have to cut it, split it, and stack it. Being ill really set me back. There's some more. Some of this will be okay, some won't. It set me back a lot. So I'm gonna start getting to it. That's my goal right now. Hopefully my wrist will be well enough to start doing the chainsaw work and running the log splitter and getting this going, because we need to fill these pallets up again. Coming through again. There, he's looking. He's looking. Wow. Round and round and round today. Just round and round. And this is the times I happen to be out with a camera. Well, I just put a ball on the John Deere. I've got two over here, but I can't get them. They're brand new, relatively new, used once each, but I can't get the nuts to come off. They're really frustrating. These things these days, they seize up. Anyway, with my wrist the way it is, there's no way. So fortunately I had a brand new one in the box, and I got that on here. So I can start using this to haul firewood because of something I love about this. It's got variable speed forward and reverse pedals. It's fully automatic. Pressure controls the speed forward and reverse, and I like it a lot because I can micro-fine adjust my steering while backing up a trailer. With the other one, you put it in reverse and you have to throttle it with the lever, and it's just really awkward. You have to use the clutch to maneuver it, and this is really, really nice. So this is going to be the trailer hauler around here right now. Well, I got the old machine hooked up to the trailer. It's a lightweight trailer, and I'm not going to load it heavy, but it sure beats using the tiny little lawnmower wagon. Well, Michelle, are we going to put some wood in here?
Yeah.
We can't put too much because it already has some in there, but we can load it up a little bit.
I got the not having peas.
This will be ready for this year's burning. There's a lot to pick and choose from. There's some poplar in here, some oak, some mixture. Might be some pine, I don't know. That'll all go out in the pile. I'm not going to load it too heavy though, like I said. Michelle's still looking for a piece. Uh-oh, I think there's been critters. There's this dry spot down there. You even got gloves on, ready to go, aren't you? See, that deck is starting to crush. I'm going to have to put a little bit in the front more.
Oh, there's a dry shot.
Yeah. Put it up in the front. Back. Yeah, right there. We don't want to load it too heavy. It's got a 500-pound limit on the trailer, which is perfect for the mower. We don't want to go too heavy anyway on it. Huh?
Oh, this is a perfect one.
Yeah, it is.
This is a good one for me.
Yeah. A couple more and that'll be the load limit, I think, for this. These are dry even on the ground. It's a desert out here. Yeah, there's some good oak in here. Alright, Michelle, that's a limit there.
Okay.
I'm going to run this out back and throw it over the fence line into the pile. Stack it later. Well, for now, I backed it in. It's not optimum. I'm going to probably have to go around the road. We'll unload this now. So, Michelle, we're going to put all this right here. Right next to there. Alright? It all goes right there next to the pile, okay?
Okay.
No, guys, this is my first real physical labor with my hand.
I got a piece.
Oh, good. Just throw it on the pile. Since I got hurt.
Ooh, this
Oop, don't get in my way. You stay on that side. We got plenty of room.
is a piece.
Oh, reach over there. There's some in front of you. Look at all those pieces got to come out.
Okay.
Yep, all those pieces gotta come out. You can throw it next to you on the ground. Right there, you can start a new pile. It's all gotta go over here and it's all gotta go on the pile. Okay. Wrist isn't feeling too bad. It's a little sore, but not too bad. Oh, that's not, I don't know what that's doing here. It's too big. Can you get it? That one's got to be cut. Get it all. It's all got to go in a pile. Or you put it back in the trailer. Goofball. Got to go in the pile. Boy, that stuff is dry. That's tree bark. That's going to go in the mulch later. This stuff is really dry. We're on this trailer all this time. So you're going backwards. Everything's got to come out though. Well guys, it's been raining, so I haven't had the camera out. I've been cleaning up over here. Doing pretty good actually, considering I'm just recovering. I took out the trailer from over here. Let me walk you over. There was a trailer here, the old heavy-duty trailer I use all the time. And there was a wooden frame. It used to be my ramp for the mill that got demolished in action. And there was a pallet of wood sitting here. I've consolidated and cleaned out this entire area. All of this area here is cleaned out since it was raining. And then I cleaned up the rest of this area here, which had some loose wood in it. And I've got a little bit left here to pick through, but I am getting tired. I don't want to push myself. My first day really working again. I'll process this out of here, maybe tomorrow if the weather permits. And then I want to go wild with a chainsaw through here, because there's too much metal. Way too much metal to risk hitting with the sawmill. So all of this through here is going to be firewood. And then I'll process it and run it out back and stack it. Actually, I might put some of this out front, crossways to the wind and out in the sun to dry faster. And then it will be ready this year. If I do that, it will be ready in time. So that's it guys for today. Got a lot cleaned up, a little bit of work done. It took me half a day to do 3 videos and get them live. So it does take time to do your video processing and editing as well. Well, I'm done. Please like this video, subscribe if you haven't. Never know what I'm going to do tomorrow at the homestead. And check out Michigan Prospectors, by the way. And see some cool and exciting videos there. Rock hounding, gold mining, copper mining, silver mining. And please subscribe to my Patreon account for special video clips and giveaways. Good night.